Hi, I'm Charlie from Vaughan, Ontario. I'm reviewing the Miele Classic C1 Hardfloor Canister Vacuum, which I've put to the test. This is a great little machine with plenty of power. There are multiple settings for different things you might like to vacuum, like curtains, upholstery, and floors. It also has an energy saving setting that is very quiet and can be used for light jobs. As for the tougher jobs, there is a max power setting that has incredible suction. The vacuum comes with multiple attachments and each do a great job of cleanup with ease for those tight spots around your home. It is small, easy to move around. The size and weight of the vacuum allows for easy movement and light enough to carry up and down stairs. The wheels move easily and freely in any direction. The vacuum is great for any home. We use it all the time for general cleanup and have used it for cleanup of minor renovations around our house. It is our go-to vacuum. We have some appliances by Miele, and certainly their quality did not stop at this vacuum. This vacuum is well thought out and will last for years to come. I highly recommend this vacuum. I believe it's one of the best on the market. I hope this review helps you with your vacuum purchase. Thank you. I would recommend the Miele Classic C1 Hardfloor Canister Vacuum to my family and friends.